Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be going over the steps of how to complete a single crochet. This is usually one of the first stitches you will learn when learning how to crochet after the chain stitch, and I will be showing how to do that both off of a chain and off of an existing row. So before I begin, I want to state that I am currently working with a medium weight yarn as well as a size H hook. And so in order to do this, I want to first point out that on a chain, you have 3 threads or yarn threads that you are going to be working with. And I like to go in between the second and third one, so that'd be right here. The reason for that being is it allows for consistency's sake, and I believe it gives a cleaner edge. So now that I'm in my opening in the chain, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a loop of yarn and pull it through. So now I have 2 strands on my hook. Then what I am going to do next is I'm going to loop for a third onto the hook, and then I'm going to grab my yarn, bring my needle down to lock the yarn into place, and pull through. And basically that is all you do. So I'm going into my second and third, grabbing a loop, pulling through, yarn over, and pull. So you just do that for the amount of times that your pattern requires. And that is how it is conducted on a chain. Now to do it off of existing rows, so basically like this, what I've got going on here, I am going to, instead of working with a chain, you have your pre-existing row, they have these kind of looks like chains on the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through both of these loops, as you can see here, or at least underneath of them. I'm going to again grab a piece of yarn, going to loop over for a third and pull through 2. And it is the same process all the way across again. And I hope that made sense and that helps you on your crocheting journey. Thank you for watching and have a great day.